If you're anything like me, you have about 20 abandoned projects. All stuff that you really did design, you really did spend time on, but you just really never got there. And like, it feels so weird. Like you get so much progress and then at the end, you just slow down for no reason. So what I found is the reason is because there's a lack of structure. When you're in places like school or you're at a job or something, it's because there's external pressure. You have a reason to be there. You have a reason to complete the task. If you don't, you're screwed. But on Roblox, there's none of that. It's completely on your own. You're just like there. You work. You can change the project. You can do whatever you want. And if you get bored, like if motivation runs dry, there's nothing to keep you. There's no structure at all. So what I've been doing, I've been using all kinds of different tools to try to solve this issue. So like, here's the first thing that I did is I used this Trello, right? So Trello was good at giving me direction, but I found the biggest problem with it was that I often underestimated stuff that I had to do. I would try to plan out 3 different mechanics and then realize, wait, I need to make this whole other system. So when that happened, it just felt like I was kind of drifting away. I made this whole schedule. I wasted my time doing that. So like the next thing that I did was I actually use like Apple's calendar. So the thing is like what I really like about it is that you can like schedule specific times, right? And like the best part about that is like I felt like I could like adapt my day to like different energy levels. If I wake up in the mornings, I'm not gonna immediately want to start my work. I'm gonna like want to have like a little break, get some breakfast. I want to schedule my work around lunch or like school. So like having Apple's calendar and like being able to schedule specific times was really nice for like adapting to like me. You know what I mean? Like Trello, like like little timers and stuff. The issue with them is they just don't adapt to you, but Apple's calendar does. And while Apple's calendar was really good and found it to be too rigid. For example, making new blocks, I have to constantly close out "Are you sure" tabs. Or let's say I woke up at the wrong time. It felt like my whole schedule was completely removed. It was more of like this fantasy than actual realistic. If I ever got sick, it would demand me to do like the same work blocks every other day. If it was a school day, I have to move around stuff. I just basically have to ignore the whole calendar. But I still felt like there's a lot of power in adapting to different energy levels. So what I did was actually design my own solution. Like I wanted it to not get in your way, but I still wanted that same schedule like flow. So right here you can see this is like tasks. So the same power of Trello of being able to plan stuff out, but like I deliberately didn't like make it the whole thing. Like I wanted you to be able to like brainstorm a few thoughts, but not like dump your whole game. So like you can say like, make the animation bug go away, or like the script. I don't know, anything you want honestly. And if you want to get rid of the task, you just click it. So it's like super simple right there on the side. You have your current like session that you're in or your block. You can kind of see. So this is like an actual joke schedule I made just because I wanted to like show the tool. And so you can kind of see this is really similar to Apple's calendar. You can schedule it at specific times. You start your day whenever you want. And it like, you can make it adapt to your energy levels throughout the day. So that was really, really nice. That was like the biggest feature that I wanted. But what I really cared about was restoring the flexibility of how my life actually works. Like it's chaotic. I need to be able to move around blocks like on the spot. So what I have is you're able to skip forward and skip backwards. So like let's say I like oversleep, right? If I oversleep to like 1 p.m. I want my whole day to start now, right? Or like let's say, yeah, sure I overslept, but I feel like I don't really need that like warm up. I immediately can go to my first block. Or like let's say I'm like in the middle, I can reset it. And another really, really powerful thing is you can move around the whole schedule to like any starting point. So if I want to wake up at 7 instead, I go here. Let's say I slept in too much. You know, I was like gaming last night, couldn't help myself. So now I want my schedule to be at 10 o'clock. It starts whenever you want. You just have to drag this white thing. The blocks automatically like get cut off, but then they get restored when you like undo it, you know? And so another thing is I made these saves, right? So you can, if you ever get sick, like school day versus weekend, holiday, any kind of setting like that, you can instantly change your entire schedule to exactly that specific day type. And you can pre-plan it on specific days of the week. So like, let's say on Tuesday I want push, and then a push, and then all these other days. And like the weekends, right, of course they're gonna be completely different. So I want my, my default on Saturday and Sunday. And then I can save the entire week as like, and now I have normal week. So like whenever I make a change, I want to go back, boom. It's like, this is extremely flexible. This is exactly what I need. I just need to be able to treat time not as like literal discipline blocks, but as like intent, like what I want to do on that day. I don't need to be punished for accidentally sleeping in an hour or like 30 minutes or something, but I still need the structure of like actually having my day planned out based on energy level. And the last like really big feature that I honestly feel like makes this plugin like really powerful. So like basically how this works is you convert your entire schedule to text, and then you can do whatever you want with that text. And actually what I wanted to do the most is use AI to like give you suggestions about your schedule or like anything like that. Like you can have it create your whole schedule for you. So basically, like let's say I have this really like, this schedule right here, it's like good, but I want it to be like even better. So what I do is I go here, I say like the AI strength, like how much it edits it, like what my goals, all this. So these are just like, all that does is change this what to do, like instructions. But like what you do is you copy this and then you go into like a platform like ChatGPT, and then you can say like, you just have to copy and paste it. And it'll instantly give you like a completely edited schedule. So ChatGPT's gone ahead and made me a schedule. So it's like reviewed my current, and then I told it with the settings what to do. So now I have this quote optimized schedule. It gives me feedback on like the good things, and then of course like the bad stuff. Let's say I just want to instantly use its schedule. I press copy, go here, and then I just paste it. And then I just press save. And boom, instantly with the schedule that ChatGPT generated is now fully implemented into the plugin. And let's say I want to change anything I want. All it has to do is give this. I just copy that, put it in import, and boom, it's like it automatically sets the entire thing. And even like you can change the entire week too. Like watch this. It'll like plan out each day of the week. It'll plan out specific times of the day, all this kind of stuff, right? And like this is it right here. Watch this. Copy this, paste it, press save. Now every single day of the week's been edited. Specifically like aligned for specific energy levels for the week. This is like really good because you can get like a whole rest day, a whole like intense work, like maybe Saturday. You can do anything you want. This is like really powerful. It's like the only like productivity tool out there that actually is like made to like work around like your real energy levels and like really adapt to the chaos of life. Because life isn't a perfect schedule. Life isn't like a perfect to-do list. You wake up 1 hour late. That's normal. That's a human thing. You shouldn't have to be punished every time you make any small mistake. And you shouldn't be tracked either. It should be about intent, not whether you wake up at 9 o'clock exactly. I really like how Roblox has let us charge. I feel like it gives us a way to reward creators for actually making really high quality stuff. And I saw that as an opportunity to make something that I've really dreamed about for such a long time. Like this is more of a passion project than anything, and I've been making this thing forever. Now that it's finally done, I've like tested it, made sure this thing is rock solid. I'm really confident in how this is gonna do. So I'm giving you guys a week for free. You can see the plugin for yourself. See how it works. Get it permanently. When you download it, you'll never have to pay. Once 1 week is up, I'm gonna charge $10 for this plugin.